This problem asks us to use the order of operation to find the value of this expression. So we'll use please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or parentheses exponents, multiply, divide, add, and subtract. Let's start with parentheses. I see lots of parentheses in this problem, but if you'll notice in the parentheses, there's only numbers, not adds or subtracts or multiplies or divides. So I'm actually going to skip the parentheses step. Next, I'm going to exponents, and I do see one. So let's think about what negative 2 to the third means. That means to write negative 2 3 times and multiply them all together. So negative 2 times negative 2 would give me 4, and 4 times negative 2 would give me negative 8. So in place of this negative 2 to the third, I'm going to put negative 8. And then it's a good habit to go ahead and write the rest of the problem before you move on to the next step. Next, we look to multiply. So I see multiplication here. Negative 3 times negative 5 would be positive 15. And then here I get negative 10 times negative 4, that's positive 40, times negative 9 is negative 360. And then write the rest of the problem. And that's my multiply step. My next step is my division step. I do see a division here, but I notice that the big number's on the bottom. So what I might do with here is, instead of actually dividing 360 into 15, where I'll get a decimal, I'm going to go ahead and reduce this fraction. I noticed that both of them are divisible by 15. So I'm going to divide the top by 15, and I'm going to divide the bottom by 15. So 15 divided by 15 gives me 1. And negative 360 divided by 15 gives me negative 24. So that's my division. Now I can add or subtract. Well, I don't see an addition, but I do see subtracting a negative. When I see that, I know I can change the subtraction to a plus if I change the sign of the next number. So now my problem really looks like negative 1/24 plus 8 wholes. And so what I would have left, if I take 1/24 out of this 8, I'm going to have 7 wholes left over. And then I'm going to have 23/24 left once I take this 1/24 away.